But look at the effort of Perez trying to get that ball away from Belga. Mukhang makakapuntos na dito si Clarito.
Yes.
It's going to be the, I'm guessing that is going to be the easiest basket dito sa larong ito. Everything will be contested from here on, and nakakuha ng fast break point kaagad. The points, rather, ang Rainer Shrine.
Lang ang nakaharang, a smaller guy, but he Perez with the mop-up.
Nakakalimutan ng white shirt. So that was 3 against 2. Trail job ni CJ Perez. Naipasok niya pa rin. Ganda naman ng cut. Trail job ni CJ Perez. Naipasok niya pa rin. Ganda naman ng cut.
Ang ganda naman. The cut, the feed, everything. So precise, so perfect for Rainer Shine.
Minsan problema ng mga...
Away from Rainer Shine. Fajardo, the side step. Bisaya step.
I like that. Alam mo, ang medyo nakakatakot dun para sa Rainer Shine. Mabuti na lang ang bilis ng response ni
Para sa Rainer Shine. Santillan, nakakita ng puwang. Drops in the 3.
Well, that time they settled for a 3-pointer. I'll shut up because Santi made it. Pero I'm looking for guys.
Kontra kay Datu. Susubukan ni Junmar yung rookie. And even with the help of Santillan, walang nagawa ang Rainer Shine.
Isn't that so sweet looking? That nice little fake spin. Parang kilos nung maliit eh, di ba?
Nung
Some nice stops dyan. Di ba naputokan ng shot clock ang SMB at one point na itatakbo nila ang bola shot. Kanilang fast break points at one point sa elimination round. They were #1 in fast breaks. They're showing us kung bakit.
Picture-perfect transition attack. First, the steal. And then look at Clary picks it up. Belga lines up a 3. Bo Belga, money!
Actually, there were several wide open guys from the three-point area. Si halos pumutok na yung ugat ni Mamu, kakainin ng bola dun sa may kanto. Well, the point.
Shaded area. Ito naman ba si Ross?
He looks hurt at hindi pa rin tumatayo si Ross. Perez lays it in. At mukhang natamaan si Ross dun sa maselang bahagi. He's back on his feet. Niluwa yung tres ni Clarito.
That's some life or energy. Parang medyo patay eh, di ba?
Etong buhay. Si Adrian Nocum here in the third quarter. Oh, and an offensive foul is called on Ross. Back in game 3. Dang, much needed 3. Rainer Shine, binibilisan din yung laro ulit. Belga, dito ang Rainer Shine. Asisio will fire away. Oh, Anton Asisio, another 3 for him. Forward pass. Trollano will roll that in. San Miguel now within 6.
Again, the terrific control magmula dito kay Don Trollano. Nasa-size up niya si Anton Asisio. Much.
Cruz. Napatalikod si Mamuyak. Finishing through the foul.
That's what we were talking about kanina, Jad. Di ba? Yung malakas na pangatawan.
That really fueled their comeback. But Belga! He says, bang! Big Bo! Napakabigat ng tres na yun.
Andiyan na eh. Di ba? 2 points, naging 4 points na lang.
Perez! Money on the 3! The Predator has found his prey!
Wow!
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos